Hello everyone, I am Sebastian Cross, Senior Product Manager at PROS, and I'd like to introduce a new feature about the interaction with Smart CPQ from Microsoft Power Pages. Microsoft Power Pages allow building in a low-code, no-code approach an e-commerce portal that can embed Smart CPQ. But not only does it allow you to interact on quotes, but also to leverage all objects available in the Microsoft database. If I do a focus on Smart CPQ, Power Pages can be seen as a portal from where a partner or customer of yours can interact with the various modules of Smart CPQ, namely the catalog, product configurator, and quote. But it's not just a separate portal. It's actually a new channel for your sales rep to interact directly with their partners and customers. Technically speaking, you have Power Pages portal, Smart CPQ integrated with Microsoft Dynamics for Sales, and thanks to Microsoft Power Automate, everything available to sales rep in Dynamics could be made available from the Power Pages. If I do a specific focus on our Dynamics integration with Smart CPQ, here is what a sales journey looks like. The sales rep starts by creating a quote, either directly or from an opportunity or a lead, for instance. Thanks to a Power App component on the quote object, the sales can directly access a given step of the quoting workflow in Smart CPQ. Within Smart CPQ, the sales can browse a catalog to add items in the quote, and for complex products, it can run a product configuration process. Within the quote itself, the sales rep can negotiate prices, including using our price optimization widget. Once done, the sales can sync the quote content back to the CRM. From there, a Power App component allows generating a proposal, leveraging PROS documents based on Microsoft Word templates. And then everything is available to trigger another workflow: an approval, a subscription contract creation, an order placement, or a sales agreement creation, for instance. Now, the great news is that thanks to Power Pages, your customers and partners could do exactly the same from a dedicated e-commerce portal. PROS provides an example of Power Pages portal with all PROS components to interact in CPQ already plugged together. Thanks to that template, a customer or partner can access and authenticate in your portal, create quotes, leverage all CPQ capabilities to browse products, add them to the quote and negotiate prices and discounts, and then save the quote in the portal and continue the selling workflow from the portal. But the magic here is that thanks to Smart CPQ for Power Pages, you can mix those two workflows at every level. The sales could start a quote from the CRM, and the customer or partner can interact on the very same quote from the portal. Both can access CPQ and interact there as well. And finally, both of them can complete the selling workflow in the CRM for the sales rep or in the portal for your partner or customer, based on what is made available to them on each channel. This is really what omnichannel is about, being able to have different personas interacting synchronously or asynchronously on the same deals in a fluid and frictionless user experience. Let's see together how you can benefit from Smart CPQ for Power Pages. The first step for an administrator of your organization consists in creating a site. One easy option is to start from a blank template in the Power Pages portal. Give your site a name and an address, and then import the website template provided by default by PROS to help you start with all necessary components already plugged together. Once the site is created, that's where your partner can come into play and start creating deals in the portal you have created. Creating a quote from a Power Page is as easy as using a dedicated form where you can fill in the mandatory information like a name, a currency, and price list. A customer and a reference to the PROS setup that makes the link with Smart CPQ. Submit your code so that it is created both in the Dataverse and in Smart CPQ. You can review the content of the created code by simply clicking on its name. Then the PROS solution comes with an action that allows your partner to switch to Smart CPQ. Once there, the partner benefits from all the power of the PROS platform, meaning he can browse the catalog for products or add them directly from the quote. The PROS solution provides an action allowing to sync the quote content to the Dataverse. And that's where the magic happens. Now that the quote is synced in the Dataverse, a sales rep can review and complete it from Microsoft Dynamics for Sales. From the CRM, the sales rep can retrieve the quote created by the partner from the portal and review its content in the CRM. The sales rep can also switch to Smart CPQ leveraging our PROS managed solution and interact on the same quote by granting extra discount, for instance. Once completed, the quote can be synced back to the Dataverse and made available on both channels. From the CRM, the sales rep can trigger other workflows, like an approval workflow, or leverage PROS solution to create subscription contracts or sales agreements. The last point I want to mention is that the website provided by PROS is an example. As such, you can use it as a basis and personalize it in the Power Pages portal. You can change the logo and titles. You can play on the styling. Or you can even completely rework all pages, add images, etc. You can also do the opposite, meaning starting from your own portal that you may already have built and embed the PROS components there. In my example here, you see that your partner can start his journey in your portal by reviewing an existing opportunity. And by accessing a quote directly from the Power Pages menu. That's where he can then leverage the PROS component to access Smart CPQ in a similar fashion than earlier. Today, you have seen that you can easily propose a new channel for your customers or partners to interact with your sales team thanks to Smart CPQ for Power Pages. This is part of the 2023 summer release of the PROS platform. Thank you for watching.